Hi, it's Dr. Sheldon here with Lawrence at the Willowdale Animal Hospital, here to give you my top 5 tips for picking a veterinarian. Tip number 1, go to the dog park. Talk to the people there, ask them who their favorite vets are, who's their vet, what do they think of the vet, so take notes, write them down. Tip number 2, go to the website. They often write their philosophy of patient care right there on the website. Make sure it aligns with your philosophy of how you want your little guy looked after. Point 3, check and see if that hospital is certified by the AAHA, that's the American Animal Hospital Association. Point 4, call and make an appointment for a tour of the hospital.
Hi there, thanks for holding. This is Leashed speaking. How can I help you?
See how the receptionist treats you, see how they respond to your questions, tell them you're new, you're looking for a veterinarian, and you'd like a tour of their hospital.
So let's go down and see the dental room.
Okay.
Come with me.
Having a tour of the hospital is a great way. You meet the staff, you get to see what the facility looks like and smells like, make sure it's clean, and you get to see how a lot of the staff is treating the pets right there while you're there.
What kind of cat is that?
It's a Persian.
Okay.
The last point, have a little checkup done with the veterinarian of your dog or your cat. They have to love and care about your pet. You have to trust them and like them, and most important, you have to have a great rapport with that veterinarian. Some of the things you want to check out on a tour, sensations right when you walk in. How does the hospital smell? How does it look? These are very important. It should be clean. The staff, how do they treat you when you come in? Are they friendly? Are they affectionate towards your pet? Also, you want to have a little tour of where your pet is going to stay. After surgery, or if they're ill, they're going to be kept in a kennel. I want to know where my little guy is kept. It's also good to see what the hours are and who's looking after those pets once the hospital closes, if they close at all. While you're at the hospital, it's a good time to check out and see what the requirements at that hospital are for continuing education for the doctors and the nurses. And lastly, check out the equipment they're using. Make sure they're up to date with the latest technology, things that we would want for our own health. If you follow these tips, you're going to have a very good chance of finding a veterinarian who's going to be with you and your pet for a very long time. And you'll have a great little relationship to help your little guy live a long and healthy life.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Bye.